Hello friends, today we will see some important theorems of triangles. I am JK sir, teaching geometry for wisdom classes. Now, if two sides are given, xy and xz, which is bigger? Definitely xz is bigger than xy. Then the theorem says that angle opposite to the greater side greater. This angle is greater than this angle. देखो xy छोटा है और xz बड़ा है. The angle opposite to बड़ा side, this angle is greater than angle opposite to छोटा side. This angle is greater than this. Suppose this is 10 and this is 6. 10 is bigger than 6. So automatically this angle will be greater than this. The theorem says that the angle opposite to greater side is greater. This is what we are going to prove. For proving that, we will mark this point P such that xp congruent to xy. This is congruent to this. Now, if this is congruent to this angle here is equal to this angle here. All of you know that. The sides are congruent, base angles are congruent, isosceles triangle here. This is the exterior angle of this triangle. Exterior angle is always greater than the remote interior angle. If this angle is x and this is y, x is greater than y. If this x is greater than this y, this means this x is greater than this y. This is equal to this and this is greater than this means this angle is greater than this. Now, x is greater than y लिखा है already. Now, angle xyz is definitely greater than x. ये बड़ा एंगल है xyz is greater than छोटा एंगल. ये बड़ा है इससे. ये छोटा है, ये बड़ा है. This is greater than this. XYZ. This angle is greater than this. XYZ is greater than x, and x is greater than y. Therefore, angle XYZ is greater than angle XZY. उसका मतलब this angle is greater than this angle. We have proved that if this side is greater than this side, this angle is greater than this angle. Nice little theorem. Angle opposite to greater side is greater. Let's go to the next one. So opposite. अभी side opposite to greater angle is greater. This is the theorem number 2. Theorem number 1. This is theorem number 1. This is theorem number 2. Theorem number 2 इसका उल्टा. Side opposite to greater angle is greater. इधर क्या है? Angle opposite to greater side is greater. ये उल्टा. Side opposite to greater angle is greater. इसका उल्टा. Converse. Side opposite to greater angle is greater. Now, suppose we say like this. If you are, we have angle Q is greater than angle R given. To prove, they are given that this is greater than this angle. To prove that PR is greater than PQ. This angle is greater than this angle, therefore this is greater than this. Side opposite to greater angle greater. This is what we are doing. We can do it by a very special method. There can be only 3 cases. One is PR, case 1. PR equal to PQ. PQ equal to PR. Case 2, PQ less than PR. दूसरा case 3, PQ is greater than PR. कोई भी एक ही पॉसिबल है. See, there are these two marker here. Three cases are there. Either this is equal to this, or this is less than this, or this is greater than this. ऐसा कोई इसके अलावा दूसरा कोई केस ही नहीं है. ये दोनों इक्वल है, ये ग्रेटर है, ये तो एक ग्रेटर है. ये तीन ही केस होते हैं. We'll prove two cases are not possible. About third case is possible. That third case is the only possibility. Consider PQ equal to PR. Suppose PQ equal to PR, case 1. If PQ equal to PR, then angle Q equal to angle R. Because isosceles triangle theorem. If this is equal to this angle should be equal to this. Is it what they are given? This angle equal to this angle. Is it what they are given? No. This contradicts the given condition. Q is greater than R. This contradicts given condition. कंडीशन क्या है? Q is greater than R. हम लोग प्रूव किया Q is equal to R. पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. देखो, this is not possible. So this is not possible. Case 2. PQ less than case 3 लेते हैं पहले. Case 3. PQ greater than PR. PQ is greater than PR. अभी प्रूव किया एंगल ऑपोजिट टू ग्रेटर साइड ग्रेटर. एंगल ऑपोजिट टू ग्रेटर साइड ग्रेटर. अभी प्रूव किया. अगर ये ग्रेटर है तो R should be greater than C. Is it what is given? That's not what is given. Given क्या है? Angle Q greater than angle R. हम लोग कंक्लूजन में आ गए. This is contradiction. This is contradiction. So, case 3 is also not possible. PQ greater than PR not possible. This is not possible. PQ equal to PR is also not possible. This also is not possible. Now, what is the only possibility? Case 2 is the only possibility. Therefore, case 2 is the only possibility. Possibility means PQ is less than PR. So this is the only possibility. PQ is less than PR. Therefore, our angle opposite to smaller side is less than angle opposite to greater. This side opposite to greater angle is greater. This is the greater angle. Therefore, this side is greater than this. Q is the greater angle. अगर इधर 70 है और इधर 60 है, therefore this is greater than this. Side opposite to greater angle is greater. This is greater than this. That is the second theorem. All right. Note down this, please. Okay, we'll go to the next theorem. That is, sum of two sides is greater than the third side. This side plus this side is greater than this side. This side plus this side is greater than this side. और ये दोनों ऐड करेगा तो it's greater than this. और उसके बाद ये दोनों ऐड करेगा तो इट विल ग्रेटर देन दिस, सम ऑफ टू साइड्स ग्रेटर देन दिस। ये पॉसिबल नहीं है कि इन एनी ट्रायंगल ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं है। ये 2 है, ये 5 है, इधर 8 है। सम ऑफ 2 and 5 is 7. 7 should be greater than 8, ऐसा पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है। जब सम ऑफ टू साइड्स of any triangle should be greater than 6, even if it is 3, not accepted. 3 plus 5 is not greater than 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 is not greater than 8. So it has to be sometimes here 6. 6 plus 5 is greater than 8. 8 plus 5 is greater than 6. 6 plus 8 is greater than 9. Sum of two sides should be greater than 8. And greater than the third side. Sum of two sides greater than the third side. This is what we have to do. There is a triangle here, triangle ABC, and we will prove that. To prove AB plus AC greater than BC. AB plus AC greater than BC. That's what we are going to do. For that, we have extended extension AB plus AC greater than BC. So extend BA to D such that this is equal to this. AC is equal to it. That's the construction. Construction. Extend BA to D such that AD congruent to AC. Extend this to D such that this is congruent to this. That's what is construction. If this is congruent to this, definitely we can say this angle is equal to this angle. Isosceles triangle. Therefore, angle ADC congruent with angle ACB. Isosceles triangle. Now, देखो, therefore, what we have here is x and x. AD is congruent to AC. This is x and this is x. This is 2x. This is greater than this angle. Angle DAC greater than angle B. This is greater than angle B. कारण क्या है? Exterior angle greater than remote interior angle. This is greater than this. So this is greater than this. Suppose we put some name here. What is the name here? This is 2x. 2x is greater than b. X is greater than b. 2x is greater than b. Therefore, b is less than this. Therefore, b is less than equal to this one. Okay, this is equal to this because isosceles triangle theorem is continuing with this is equal to this. Now we know that as a plus ACB is greater than angle DCB. This plus this is greater than DC is greater than X. This plus this is greater than X. Therefore, what is X here? Same X here. So, angle ACD plus angle ACB. ACD plus ACB is ACD plus ACB equal to angle BCD. BCD is greater than X. This angle is greater than X. Therefore, angle BCD is greater than this angle. This is also X. Angle greater than angle ADCB. So, this angle is greater than this X. Therefore, this angle is greater than this X. So, BCD is greater than ADC. Therefore, this angle is greater than this angle with BD. BD is greater than BC. BD is greater than BC. And what is BD? AB plus AD is greater than BC. AB plus AD is greater than BC. Okay. What is AD by the way? AD is equal to AC. Therefore, AB plus AC greater than BC. Because AD is equal to BC, A1 likha. So, from 1. Okay. I hope you have understood this. Okay. Please note down this. I hope you understood this. Do you want me to say it again once more? I hope you understood. Then, if you understood properly all the theorems, you like it, also you share it and subscribe. Okay? I'll see you in the next video.